I'm Alessandro from Italy. I'm an electronics engineer here at hibot. My main focus is to help lead the team, organize action between all the members, and make sure that processes in the team flow as smoothly as possible while ensuring the best communication possible among the members. I think we live now in a world where technology is advanced enough to take some risks in place of the humans. So I think it's great that hibot is developing products that help save lives, first of all, because there's continuous reports of people injuring themselves or casualties during maintenance operations. And I think it's a great mission that hibot has to reduce these casualties and these injuries in the world.